music makers. Shh. Mia's resting. She's so tired from clapping taws and TTs all day. I guess she really needed a rest. Hey, what's she dreaming about? What is that funny looking thing? It's so squiggly. I wonder if it has to do with music. But it doesn't really look like the notes we've clapped so far. Oh, good morning, Mia. We were just coming to say hi, and it looked like you were taking a rest. What were you dreaming about? Look at that! Can I take a look at that book? So that's what that is. That funny thing Mia was dreaming about is a quarter rest. A rest in music is a beat of silence. That means when we see it, we take a short break or rest. We're not going to clap or say ta or TT when we see a rest. That would be way too loud. Instead, let's say shh when a rest pops up, like this. Shh. I bet you could do a couple of rests in a row. Let's see if we can practice. Every time we see a rest, we'll say shh very quietly. Try it with me. Shh. 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 Excellent work, music makers. Oh, I have an idea. I wonder if we can mix this rest in with our quarter note tas and eighth note TTs. That way, if we get tired of clapping, we can just take a rest. I'm going to put some notes up on the screen. See if you can follow and clap along with the tas, TTs, and rests. I'll do it first, and then you can try with me, or if you're a super duper master music making expert, you can try it with me right when the notes come on screen. We'll start with some tas, then some rests, shh, and finish with some TTs. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Shh, 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 shh. T, 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 T. One more time from the top. Ta, 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 ta. Shh, 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 shh. T, 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 T. That was awesome! I just thought of something. If Mia's up for it, we should have her set up her DJ booth and give us some trickier rhythms to clap along to, now that you're all experts in everything. Mia? Oh, looks like Mia's ready to go. See if you can clap along to the rhythms DJ Mia creates. I have a feeling she's going to be sneaky and mix them all up. I'll count to 3, and when you hear me say go, start clapping with the notes on screen. But when you see a rest, make sure to use shh instead. Take it away, DJ. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta, shh, shh, shh. T, T, shh, shh, shh. Ta, 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 shh. T, 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 shh, ta, sh, ta, sh, ti, ti, sh, ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ti, ti, sh, ti, ti, sh, ta, ta, sh, 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 sh. I guess Mia really needed another rest, and we shushed her right to sleep. Oh, look, she's dreaming again. And now we know exactly what it is she's dreaming about. That funny little squiggly quarter rest. Well, I'm beat. Get it? Beat? Nah, I need a rest. Until next time, music makers.
Hey, hey.